Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a Solana Sniper bot to snipe a token launch. Make sure to watch this video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So currently right now we are in Telegram application, and then from Telegram you're going to go to chats and you're going to search for Sol Trading Bot. Once you search for Sol Trading Bot, you're going to click on this option that has Add Sol Trading Bot and Sol Trading Bot New. Be careful from other ones because those are scams. So we're going to click on it, and then from here you're going to simply click on Start. Once you click on Start, it's going to show you all the options for it, and now that you are connected with it, you can now use the Sniper for version 1 or version 2 for any cryptocurrency. But first step, you're going to have to add some funds. Now you're going to have to create your first wallet. So create your first wallet at Wallets. And so from here you can connect your wallet, which has already the funds, or you can generate 5 new wallets or anything you want. So you can connect a wallet. And then from here you're going to enter the private key that is going to be for your wallet. And then once you enter it right here for the private key, all you have to do is go to the Sniper version 1. And then from here, once you go to the Sniper, then you're going to paste the token address that you want to create a new Sniper for. So the moment there's a new token that releases, all you have to do is copy the code for the address and then go over here, and then you can show for lists. So no Sniper exists yet. The second the Sniper exists, then you just have to add the address. Once that is done, then you can simply click on the buy and sell, and then from here you can select either a timer or anything that you want for that Sniper bot, and it will directly buy it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.